Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, I'm going to show you how to make a 3D Easter egg. What I'm using here is a very inexpensive mold. This is only about $5 and it's made of plastic. For my first step, I'm going to take some of my dark tempered chocolate and I'm just going to start painting it on to create our first layer. After this layer has dried, I'm going to do this again. So I'm going to wait about 5 minutes and then I'm going to paint on a second layer. If your second layer is not thick enough, then you can add a third layer. Always make sure that your layers are completely dry before you start painting on your next layer. I do have to mention that I am using tempered chocolate. If you are not using tempered chocolate, you'll want to take your mold and put it into the fridge for about 5 minutes so that it dries, and then you'll apply your second layer. If you are using tempered chocolate, you can just leave it on the counter and it will dry or set on its own, which takes about 5 minutes. And now I want to create the base for our 3D Easter egg. So I've switched over to a new mold and now I'm using something called candy melts. So this is not chocolate, it's actually candy, and the company that makes this product is called Wilton. So the same process, we're just going to paint these right onto our mold. Let it dry, and then we'll apply a second or third coat. Once they are dry, you can put them into the fridge for about 5 minutes, and then they just pop out really easily. Using a hairdryer, I'm heating a little Easter egg cookie cutter. That will create the hole in our base. So gently push that through. You'll create the hole, and you have a really nice base for your 3D Easter egg. And as you can see, heating the little cookie cutter does a great job at creating that hole. It makes a really nice, precise hole, and it's very, very clean as well. So I thought I would just show you the process one more time. So you're going to take your hairdryer, heat your cookie cutter, and then you're going to gently place it on top of your base and slowly slide it through as it melts. For our next step, we want to assemble our chocolate egg. So I have a frying pan which I have heated on the stove just so that it's warm enough to melt the chocolate. So I'll take each side of the chocolate egg, gently heat it in the frying pan, which will melt the chocolate, and then we can stick them together. You'll also notice that I'm using gloves. I bought these specifically for handling chocolate so that I don't get my fingerprints on the little chocolate egg. Once our egg is assembled, now you just want to place it down gently and let it completely set so that it doesn't fall apart. And then for our final step, you just want to grab one of your bases that you created and then gently place your egg on top, and there we have it, the end of another tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. I hope you enjoyed this really fast and fun tutorial, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.